What's going on, you guys? It's Aaron Forrest Scott shooting this video because I wanted to share with you some of the new tools that we have inside of our PET system, Perfect Entry Trading System. I know some of you guys have been very excited inside of the Winner Circle utilizing it. If you are not a part of our Winner Circle group, but you want access to the PET system, you can become a part of our beta testing group. Right now, we have a beta testing group where we're giving access for a one-time fee. You pay a lifetime fee for a lifetime membership, and you'll have access to the PET system. Not only that, you'll also get access to the signals group that we have, the trade setups. We do live trainings every single week. We're also going to be doing live trading sessions with each and every individual inside of the beta testing group, where we're going to have multiple people that already know how to utilize the PET system. We're going to analyze the charts, and we're going to give out the trades to take live on our exclusive trading sessions with our beta testing group. And like I said, all you have to do is pay a one-time fee, and once you pay that one-time fee, you'll have lifetime access to the system. And whenever we make upgrades or we add more tools to the system, you will not have to pay any future fees. So this is your chance to get access, but I'm gonna break down some of the things that we have inside of the PET system so you are aware of how powerful this system can be. And like I said, we're continuously adding more and more tools, so in the future, if we find something that is of great value that we can add inside of the system, even if it costs me money to pay for it, if I'm able to give it to you, you will get access to that for free as well. So we're going to go through the list. This is some of the things that we have inside of the PET system. We have an harmonic extended tool to where it's going to give you harmonic patterns inside of the PET system. Right now I have it only based on true harmonic patterns, so that's why you don't necessarily see one on the chart as of right now, but it only gives you true harmonic patterns. I know some of the times you can get a harmonic pattern, it can be a false pattern, and that pattern can extend. On this harmonic extension, you can take out those false patterns. That's one of the tools that we have. We also have an Elliott wave tool, excuse me, which is basically the Elliott wave patterns, where when you working with Elliott waves, it works in patterns and it goes in levels. So with this Elliott wave pattern, it gives you purple, it also gives you gold, and then it gives you yellow. These yellow patterns with this yellow in a circle, I know you see multiple things on top of it. This is multiple confirmations here, but this yellow circle is the trend reversal, the high probability trend reversal. Then you have the purple circles, and then you have the gold circles in the middle. These are medium trend reversals, and then there are small trend reversals in between the high trend reversals. But on top of that, we also have an ADR, which gives you the average daily range. You also have a buy and sell arrow inside of some of the confirmations. So whenever you get the Elliott wave with a buy and sell arrow, that is basically two confirmations for a trend reversal. We also have an EMA, which is not on the chart right now. You have the entry oscillator, which is here. It shows similar to a MACD, but it also has some RSI built into it to where it shows the buyers. It also shows the sellers and the buyers. So you want to get price. Whenever price is in a certain area of the chart, you want to make sure that it lines up to where your buyers is crossing over to your sellers, or your sellers is crossing over to your buyers. And whenever you get that confirmation in conjunction to where price is at on the chart, aligning with other indicators, then you know that is extra confirmation utilizing that entry oscillator. We also have a full trading system that's embedded inside these indicators. 1, 2, 3, and 4 can be utilized separately as its own system. We also have a harmonic dashboard, which would show on the bottom. You can put all of your pairs on it, even indices such as US 30, gold, silver, things of that nature. In the dashboard, you can change your time frames. I know I don't have it shown on the screen. I don't want to pull it up because it may take a couple of minutes to load, but you can basically click on the pair of the dashboard. You can click on the time frame. It'll tell you what type of pattern it is. It'll tell you the time frame and everything like that. And when you click on it, it'll pull up the actual chart with the harmonic pattern. It's something similar to the harmonic scanner that was available in the IML. That is something else that we have as well. So you have the harmonic dashboard as well as the harmonic extended inside of the PET system. We have a high voltage signal. Our high voltage signal is the signal that is in conjunction with the um, the Elliott wave indicator, which is this yellow circle with the green or red star inside of it. That green or red star is your high voltage signal. So if you have a Elliott wave with the trend reversal with the red high voltage signal, and you have a white sell arrow, that is three confirmations at one time, and then if it lines up with everything else, then you know that that sell is valid and you can confidently jump inside of the market. We also have a non-repaint arrow, which is these green arrows here or these red arrows here. They are non-repaint, so once it pops up on the screen, then that's in high frequency indication that you may get a trend reversal or price may go in your favor depending on which arrow it is, whether it's the red or the green arrows. We also have our PMBO strategy. So if you've been on any of our sessions, if you're in MMT and if you know what the PMBO strategy is, we have a certain indicator that we utilize for the PMBO strategy that gives us the setups. It cuts down all of the time to where we have to find the support and resistance zones, and it gives you your risk to reward ratio. That is embedded and built into the PET system. So if you're familiar with the PMBO strategy and you've been looking for ways to get the indicator, this is how you will get it. You will get access to the PET system, lifetime access to the PET system. Not only will you get all of the other indicators inside the PET system, but this one PMBO indicator alone is well worth the one-time fee. The PMBO indicator and the strategy itself is worth this one-time fee. I can guarantee you. We have done PMBO for the past few months. If you're inside of MMT, then you know that our PMBO strategy is very, very, very effective. In any given week, you can catch 200 pips or more, including your losses, based off of the PMBO strategy. So the strategy alone and this one indicator alone is well worth the one-time fee. Once we close doors and our platform is set up and everything is coded and licensed and ready to go, the one-time fee will be a done deal. The beta testing group, they will always have a lifetime access. They will not have to pay any monthly fees. Once we close the door and we launch the system and fully launch the system, there will be a monthly fee. I'm telling you, you do not want to miss your chance to getting access for a lifetime, because once we launch, all of these tools will be coded, and in order to utilize it, you will have to pay a monthly fee. How much that monthly fee? It could be $100, it could be $250. It's well worth however much we charge or decide to charge for the monthly fee. But right now, all you have to do is pay your one-time fee of $150 that gives you lifetime access. Right now, it's $150. Next week, it might be $200 one-time fee. The week after that, it may be $250 for the one-time fee. So you do not want to hesitate. You do not want to procrastinate. If you have been trying to get access to the beta testing group or trying to get your hands on a system that is going to give you full-time entry and exits on a high probability trade, as you can see, we also have the trend tube. This trend tube is an oscillator for a standard deviation where once price gets to one side of the tube, it has to cross to get to the other side of the tube. So if I have price on this side of the tube and I have the entry oscillator that is showing that we're looking for a reversal, we also have our Elliott wave indicator with our high voltage that we're going to get an uprise. That is what we're looking for. We're looking for price to come from one side of the street to the other. So we had our support and resistance zones is what what we also have here, this is the gray box here. You also have another gray box here. So if you're at a support or resistance zone, you get your Elliott wave indicator, your high voltage indicator, your buy sell arrow, your non-repaint arrow. These are 5 confirmations in one that you're looking for a sell, and that's exactly what happened. It was on one side of the sidewalk and had to cross over to the other side of the sidewalk. So this system is very easy to follow. We have had many members that already have the system getting amazing results already. So if you're looking for ways to get perfect entries, of course nothing is perfect, nothing in the market is 100% guaranteed, but I can guarantee you this system will enhance your winning ratio. So if you've been struggling in Forex and you're trying to get your hands on something that's going to help you in the process of learning while earning, this system is for you. It's a full-fledged system. We have multiple indicators inside, as you can see. Just a few of these indicators, such as the PMBO indicator, and the strategy alone is well worth the price point that we're giving it to you for. We're basically giving you the sauce away. We put a price tag on it for a one-time fee just to cover the cost of all of the indicators that we paid for. Some of these indicators that we have, I paid for out of my pocket. You're going to get access for it without having to pay any extra fees. If I decide that I see another indicator that is good for the pet system and I pay $200 for it, you will get it for free. I'm telling you, you do not want to miss access. Once we close the doors, the one-time fee will be done, and everybody that joins afterwards will have to pay a monthly fee. If you are a part of the monthly fee subscription, it will be well worth the monthly fee. I'm not saying that you're going to miss out, because the people that are utilizing the system are making hundreds to thousands on a weekly basis. So if we charge $100 a month and you're making $500 a month, it's well worth it. But if you decide not to pay your $100 a month, this is after we launch. If you decide not to pay your $100 a month, the system will not work. So if you are looking to get your hands on the system for a lifetime, to where we cannot shut the system off on you, you can get access to the system for, once you have it forever. One-time fee. That is all you have to pay. You can reach out to me. I will get you access. We're going to close the doors probably by the end of this month, which is June. So if you are trying to get access, it is only $100 right now, as I'm speaking. It may be more. If you're watching this video on a recording and you reach out to me a few weeks later, it may be $200. It may be $250. But as of right now, June the 13th, it is $150 to get access to one of the most powerful systems I have ever seen. It is basically a giveaway. No monthly fees. Not only do you get access to the system itself, we are not going to leave you alone. We have signal groups, we have trade setup groups. We're going to be doing live training to teach you how to utilize the system. We're going to be building multiple templates, because on this screen right now, we do not have all of the indicators on the screen at one time. As you notice, we also have a currency meter that shows you the currencies that are, or the pairs that are in strength. As of right now, the best pair to trade is CAD CHF. It has the most volatility to the upside right now. GBP USD is going down right now. So this currency meter is very, very powerful within itself. We do not have all of the indicators on the chart, so we're going to be developing more templates, and as we move along and find more strategies to utilize with each template, we are going to be sharing that with the group as well. So not only will we have live training every single week, we're going to be doing live trading sessions to where we're going to be giving away and looking out for trades that we're going to be taking live as a group. So if you're struggling alone, if you're looking for the right group to connect with, you're looking for the right system, the PET system, the perfect entry trading system, is perfect for you. Not only that, you're going to get access to me, the Winner Circle group, and everybody that is inside of the beta testing group. We are earning while we're learning together. So this is your chance to get a lifetime membership, one-time fee, $150. If you wait, price will increase. So do not procrastinate, do not hesitate. There's a few people out there that have said that they wanted access to the system. This is your chance. Hopefully you guys see the value. Hopefully you reach out to me so that I can help you earn while you learn. I'll see you guys in the next video.